Hey guys, I decided to make a quick video about how to set alerts on TradingView. I know many of you are new to TradingView or trading in general, so it's really helpful. Alerts are essential for being a successful trader. And let's begin, especially setting alerts for indicators. For example, most generic thing, RSI alerts. Now, how do you make them? You go to this little section right here, click on the clock icon, go to alerts, which you can set an alert by clicking Alt plus A or just clicking on the small plus icon. Go now, if you want to set it for an indicator, for example the RSI or the MACD, it doesn't matter, click RSI right here under condition. Now you decide at what level you want to get notified. For example, let's say the 33 level is important for you, so you click crossing down because you want to get notified when it crosses down. You can just click crossing, but okay. Now go to value, it's set only once. You can choose once per bar or once per bar close. When the candle closes you get the alert, and now choose the 33 level. Click on all of those. If you have the TradingView app, it's for me essential to have all of those turned on just so I don't miss my alert. And now when you click create, you're going to see that it appears in your alerts tab right here. Crossing down 33 level, save it. Now you just wait. As you can see on the indicator, there is a little orange line that pops right up. So that's basically it. Is the same with any other indicator. For example, I use Market Cipher, and when I click here on Market Cipher B, there are so many options and so many customizations. So that's basically it. If you want me to make a video about something else, just comment down below and see you in the next video.